In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to fix Spectrum router blinking blue. So what you're gonna have to do, first of all, check for obvious issues like cables. So you're gonna have to ensure all cables connecting to your modem and router are securely plugged in and not damaged. Then you're gonna have to check your modem, so make sure your modem is powered on and functioning correctly. And then you're gonna have to also check for Spectrum services. So you're gonna have to check for any local outages or service interruptions reported by Spectrum. Now you can also try to reset your equipment. So as you can see, if you have modem, you're gonna have to unplug the modem's power cord, wait at least 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. And for the router, it's gonna be the same. And basically, that's all you can do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.